The IonToF ToF-SIMS 5 is a time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometry system. ToF-SIMS is an ultra-high vacuum surface analytical method that can generate spectra and 2D and 3D images from most any surface. This instrument has a prep chamber, transfer arm, 3 ion guns, a time-of-flight analyzer, and heating and cooling capabilities. The 3 ion guns are the liquid metal ion gun to the left, the C60 sputter gun in the front, and the gas cluster ion beam on the right. Shown here is the transfer arm and prep chamber. This chamber can be vented to atmospheric pressure to allow introduction of samples into the system. The transfer arm allows you to move the samples from the prep chamber to the main chamber. This is the liquid metal ion gun, or LMIG. This is the main analysis gun on the system. It produces bismuth ions that are used to generate spectra and images. This is the C60 gun. It is mainly used for sputtering, and since the addition of the GCIB, it is not used much anymore. This is the gas cluster ion beam, or GCIB. The GCIB is mainly used for sputtering, but can also be used for analysis. It generates large argon clusters and is an excellent sputter source for most organic materials. It has limited capabilities for inorganic sputtering. This is the time-of-flight analyzer. Secondary ions are extracted into the analyzer and accelerated to constant energy. Since they have constant energy, the ions separate by mass, with smaller ions traveling faster than larger ions. At the top of the column is a reflectron, which is a series of electric fields that slow the ions down and re-accelerate them towards the detector. This helps correct for any aberrations in the ion location along the flight path and increases the total flight path of the ions. This results in better mass resolution. This is a liquid nitrogen dewar for the cooling system. These other ports and tubes lead to pumps. Through this port, you can see into the main chamber. Here you can see the sample stage and various cones coming from the ends of each of the guns, the analyzer, and the charge neutralization system. This concludes the general introduction to the ToF-SIMS instrumentation. See our other tutorials for more information on this and other systems in the Molecular Analysis Facility at the University of Washington.